Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c : and hit enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type this command cd space windows / system32 / config / regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space / exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.